I'm John, 22, and I'm Muhlenberg College's resident time teller. Yeah, I mean it's hard because I get up at 5 a.m. and I'm in the bell tower all day and then I don't get home till midnight, so.
I barely see him, so sometimes it feels like I don't have a roommate at all. I mean, don't get me wrong, John's a great guy. We met online before college and we just hit it off and we decided to room together. I just had no idea that his job would change things so much, you know?
So I had work study at Java Joe's, but then that was a bust, and then this position opened up, and I was like, yeah, why not? What could be so bad?
We met his sophomore year when I was a freshman, and I was hooked right away. No, he's great. It's just that we haven't been on a date in, well, ever.
Yeah, Muhlenberg is an awesome place, but I don't even get to go to classes or anything. And I know a lot of people be like, yo, that sick dude, you just get to mad chill all day. But it's not that easy. I have to tell the time for the entire campus. All day.
3 o'clock! Phone! Phone! Phone!
It's something unpredictable. The end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.
It's taxing on your voice. It really is.
It's something unpredictable, but in the end is right. I hope you had the time of your life.